Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to speak about a handful of adjectives with their common prepositions and common mistakes that some English learners make as a result of the first language interference, applying the same rules of their mother tongue in their new language, which is English in this case. So, first of all, let's look at this picture and review some phrases. You can see the man sitting on the long chair and looking down on other people. To look down on other people means to look at people with disrespect. In other words, he feels that people are not as important as he is, or they don't deserve as much as he does. He is full of his own importance, and it's not nice. And you can see people are looking upwards, but they are not looking up to him. To look up to someone means to look with respect and admiration because you think that this person is really doing a good job or he has achieved something and he is worthy of respect. They are looking upwards with contempt. It means with anger and hatred. They are not satisfied. They are annoyed with his arrogant attitude. To be arrogant means to be proud and selfish in an annoying way that people just get really hurt. So, arrogant people look down on other people and they are full of their own importance. Let's see this horrible boss. He is like telling off his employee in a very harsh way. He is a tyrant manager. A tyrant person, a manager, is a person who treats people in a cruel and unfair way. So, telling off means to speak or criticize very angrily. He's coming down on him like a ton of bricks. And that's really, really horrible. All right. We can say that this person is superior and the employee is inferior. All right, let's look at these two sentences. Don't say, he is superior from or than his rivals. Rival means competitor. So, we say, he is superior to his rivals. So the right preposition to be used with superior or inferior is to. Democracy is superior to autocracy. Autocracy is dictatorship when some leader or ruler dictates the rules to the people in a society without asking their ideas. All right. The rule is superior to, not from, or not than. That's the rule. We have some similar adjectives that fall into the same category. For example, inferior to. A vice president is inferior to the president or the general director. Or junior to. I'm junior to my colleagues. I have just been employed in this job. I'm just learning. Junior to means to be fresh or to be new to a career. Next one, senior to. I am senior to everyone in this department. I've been in this job for the past 20 years. Next one, prior to. To be prior to something means to come before it. So prior is a synonym for before. Prior to the meeting, I'm going to send you the agenda via email. And the next one, subsequent to or consequent to. It means after that or sometimes as a result of something. Subsequent to our meeting, our team is going to prepare the draft of the contract. Subsequent to is a synonym for after. All right? I hope that after this video you are never going to mix up the use of the prepositions with these groups of adjectives. I hope you liked this video. If you did, share it with others that you think it might be useful for them as well. And wish you a great day. See you in the next video.